children, today let's start with chapter number 9, friction. So in this chapter, we will study about what is friction, what are its causes, types of friction, right? So let's start with the chapter now. You have learned about the force of friction in the previous chapter. One of these forces which act upon all the object, it is the force of friction. So when we push a book on the desk, it stops after moving a certain distance. इस वहाँ friction ही होता है. जो भी force, the force acting along the two surfaces, in contact that opposite motion of one object over the other, इसको हम force of friction कहते हैं. So जो force of friction है वो oppose करती है movement of the body और ये किसकी तरह act करती है? It's act as opposite direction on the applied force, जिसको हम frictional force कहते हैं. What are the causes? Let's study about the friction क्या है? Opposite force है. So let's study about the magnitude of the frictional force and does the nature of the surface in contact affect the magnitude of the friction. So here the activity is given to show that the frictional force depend upon the nature of the surface. Different materials are needed. You can see we need a wooden box, a spring balance, sandpaper and some talcum powder. And you can start the method now, right? So let's study here. Now what are the different types of friction? We have static friction and kinetic. First is static friction, the opposing force that comes into play when one object tends to move over the other surface of another. जो actual motion है वो start नहीं हुआ है. What we call it static friction. Next is kinetic friction. So when we increase the applied force slightly beyond the limiting friction, the object begins to slide slowly. ठीक है, जो kinetic friction है वो एक opposing force है जो किसके कांटेक्ट में आती है? वन ऑब्जेक्ट विच इज एक्चुअली मूविंग ओवर द सरफेस ऑफ अदर. वी हैव डिवाइडेड फ्रिक्शन इनटू टू टाइप्स, काइनेटिक फ्रिक्शन, दैट इज स्लाइडिंग फ्रिक्शन एंड रोलिंग फ्रिक्शन. Sliding, once the object is moved from its position of rest, force is applied on it. It keeps on moving on the same speed. The force which is required to keep the object moving in the same speed उसको हम sliding friction कहते हैं. You will notice that it is easier to keep a body moving with the same speed than to initiate the movement of the body. It means lesser force is required to maintain the speed of the body which is already moving, and that makes a body move from its position of rest. This is because when the object starts sliding, it does not get enough time to lock itself. उसको इतना time नहीं मिलता. Then we have rolling, the opposing force that comes into play when object is actually रोलिंग. ठीक है, जब ऑब्जेक्ट क्या कर रहा है? एक्चुअली रोल कर रहा है. इट्स अ लॉग ऑफ वुड, वो रोल्स करता है फ्लैट सरफेस, राइट? व्हाई फ्रिक्शन इज अ नेसेसरी इविल? द फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स इज वेरी important in our daily life. One day-to-day activities would not be possible without if there is no frictional force. We would not be able to hold anything if there was no friction between one feet and the ground. It helps us to walk. The friction between the tires of vehicle and the roads help them to move on roads easily without slipping. If there was no friction, we would not be able to fix a nail or apply the brakes. Thus, we see that friction is important in our daily life. Friction क्या होता है कि ये important होता है daily life. Now, what are the disadvantages of friction? Friction has various disadvantages. What are the disadvantages of friction? Friction has various disadvantages. It produces heat. You must have experience when you rub our palm. जब हम ऐसे करके rub करते हैं तो heat आती है, heat generate करता है. And similarly, when the machines are run, their parts rub against each other और वो heat produce करते हैं and the heat gradually damages the machine part. और machine part को damage करता है. Friction causes wear and tear of machine. If there would have been no friction, the machine would not wear out with the time. Right? Similar friction is the opposing force. It opposes the motion of the machine and causes loss of energy, और जो wastage of energy is required to make the opposing. Increasing and reducing friction. We have seen that friction is the advantages at some places, whereas it is disadvantage also. So first is to increase friction. The players in some games like wrestling and kabaddi rub their hands with some coarse material so they can increase the friction for better grip. The sole of the shoes and tires are grooved to avoid slipping. The use of brake pads in the vehicle क्या करता है? फ्रिक्शन को इंक्रीज करता है so that more friction results in effective brakes. So to reduce friction, आपको फ्रिक्शन को रिड्यूस करना है. सब्सटेंस कॉल्ड लुब्रिकेंट्स आर यूज्ड इन द मशीन्स, जिससे आप फ्रिक्शन को रिड्यूस कर सकते हो. These are applied for the moving parts of the object machine so that thin layer is formed between them and they do not directly rub against each other. And air cushion can also be incorporated between the parts of machine जिससे आप friction को reduce कर सकते हैं. The ball bearing are used which is used to reduce friction by the moving parts. जैसे staircase हो गया उससे आप friction को reduce कर सकते हो. We can also reduce friction by polishing the object since the irregularities of the surface are covered by polish. It becomes smoother and जो क्या होता है friction आपका reduce हो जाता है. Next is fluid friction. Both air and liquid exert frictional force which are moving through them. This types of friction is called fluid friction. ये किस पे depend करता है? Speed of the object पे, shape पे, उसके nature पे. Right? Now we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will do the exercise. Now multiple choice question. First is friction between two bodies in motion. It's called kinetic friction. Now maximum friction is produced in case of सबसे ज़्यादा friction किस case में produce होता है? That is your static friction. Now lubricants they are used for reducing friction. Now which among of these does not increase the friction? ये कौन सा policy? First is fill in the blanks. Friction dash the motion of the two surfaces which are in contact, opposes. It is easier to roll an object than to slide it. The dash of the fish helps to reduce friction, scales. The rolling friction is always less than the The dash are used in machinery to reduce friction. हम किसका use करते हैं? Lubricants. Now true and false. Write T for true and F for false statement. First is spring balance measure the magnitude of force. It's true. Ball bearing they are used to increase friction. False. Now air exits friction of the object moving through it. It's true. Book rolls easily on the pencil due to reduced friction. It's false. Right. Friction can be reduced to zero. False. It cannot be reduced to zero. Now subjective short answer. What do you understand by static friction? Static friction होता क्या है? What are the factors जो friction को affect करते हैं? How is friction useful in helping us walk? What is the use of ball bearing in the machine? Name the two ways to increase friction. आप कैसे friction को increase कर सकते हो? Now long answer. Why is friction considered to be necessary evil? वो क्यों एक necessary evil है? I have explained to you that you have to write here. Explain the ways by which the friction can be reduced. आप कैसे polishing के through कैसे आप friction को reduce कर सकते हैं आपको ways बताते हैं. What are the two types of kinetic force? Statics, right? What would happen if there is no friction? क्या होगा अगर किसी भी तरीके का friction present नहीं होगा? What do you understand by rolling friction? Write an act. आपको एक activity भी show करनी है, right? You can show an activity which will show you the rolling friction, right? Hope you understood. Now we have completed this chapter. Now let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.